Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about Sembast Database. Now we connect packages Sembast, path provider, and we use Flutter Slidable. Open PubSpec YAML, add packages, save. Now we create product service. Add file, write product service.dart, then you write class, write product service, then you write static, write final, write product service, write singleton, product service, now we write product service internal, write product service dot internal, write factory, write product service, write singleton, write late, write database, and now we add import, write import package Sembast, Sembast io.dart, then we write final, write store, then we write int map store factory dot store, write products, then we write future, write void, write init, write async, then you write final, write up dir, write await, write get application documents directory, then we write final, write db path, and we write up dir dot path, write products, and write db, save, write database, write await, write database factory io dot open database, write db path, and save. And now we add get all products, write future, write list, map, string, dynamic, and we write get all products async, write final, write records, write await store dot find, add database, write return, write records dot map, write record, and we write ID, write record dot key, write record dot value, and we add to list. Save. Then we add method add product, write future, write void add product, write map string dynamic, write async, and add product. Then we write await, write store dot add database product, save. Then we add method update product, write future, write void, write update product, write int id, write map string, write dynamic, write product, async. Then we write await, write store, write record, add id dot update, add database, and we add product, save. Then we add method delete product, write future, write void, write delete product, write int id, write async, and we write await, write store dot record id dot delete database, save. And now we create CRUD service, add file, write CRUD service dot dart, write class CRUD service. Then you write static, write final, write CRUD service singleton, write CRUD service, and we write CRUD service dot internal, then we write CRUD service dot internal, then we write factory, write CRUD service, write singleton, write late, write database, add import database, then you write final, write store, and write int map store factory dot store, write card, then we add init, write future, write void, write init, then you write async, write final, write up dir, write await, write get application documents directory, write final, write db path, and we write up dir dot path, write card dot db, then we add database, write await, write database factory io dot open database, add db path, save, then we add function get card items, write future, write list, write map string dynamic, write get card items, write async, write final records, write await, then we add store dot find, add database, and we write return, write records dot map, write record, and we write key, write record dot key, write record value, and we add to list. Save. Then we add method add to card, write future, write void, write add to card, and we write map string dynamic, write async, write final, and we add finder, add parameter product, we write finder, write filter, write filter equals, write ID, add write product ID, and then we write final, add existing, write await, store dot find first, database, write finder, and then you write if, add existing, not null, write else, and we write final, and we add update quantity, add existing dot value, write quantity, and we write await, write store, write record, write existing dot key dot update add database, and we add update quantity, write quantity, and we add +1, update type, write int, then we work with else, write final, write card product, write product, quantity, write 1, write await, write store dot add, and we add database, and we add card product, save. Then we add method update card item, write future, write void, write update card item, write int id, write int quantity, write async, write if, write quantity 0, write await store record id dot update database add quantity and we write else, write await, and now we add method remove from card, write future, write void, write remove from card, write int id async, await, write store, write record id dot delete database, and we add remove from card, write id and save. And we add method clear card, write future, write void, write clear card, and we write async, write await, then we write store dot delete database, save. Now we open main.dart and we update function main. Write async, and we add widgets Flutter binding. Dot ensure initialized. Write await. Add product service dot init, and then you write await. Write CRUD service dot init, and we add HTTP overrides. This functionality check error HTTP protocol. Now we add information, add import, and we write HTTP overrides dot global. Write my HTTP overrides, save. And now we add product create screen, add file product create screen .dart, add information. This file we can download to description in the video. Then we add CRUD screen. Write CRUD screen .dart, add information. And now we open main and update this file. Update class my app. Remove comments. Update title. We write catalog product. Write debug show checked mode banner. Write false. Save. Remove title. Save. And now we work with my home page. Save. And now we add variables. Write final. Write product service. And then we add final. Write CRUD service. And then we write a list. Map string dynamic. Write products. Then you write string. Search query. Then we add init state, and we add method load products. Write future. write void, write load products, write async, write async, write products, write await, write product service dot get all products, and we add set state. Save. Now we work with build, and we write a list, write map string dynamic, write filter products, write products dot where update element, we write product, then we write product name, write to, and we can write string, write to lowercase, dot contains, write search query, dot to lowercase, and we write to list. Save. And now we update background color, write colors white, and we work with a bar, write background color, write colors dot white, write title, write text, write catalog product, and we add parameter actions, write icon button, write icon, write icons dot shopping cart, save. Then we add navigator dot push, write material page road, write context, and we add cart screen. Save. And now we work with parameter body. Add widget column, write children, then we add padding, add edge insets all 8.0, then we write child, write text field, write decoration, write input decoration, write label, we write search, label text, then we write border, add outline input border, and then we add label style, add text style, right color, right colors dot black, and we add focus border, add outline input border, right border side, add border side color, right colors dot orange, save. And then we add focus color, right colors orange, save, unchange it, right set state, right search query, right value, save, and we add widget expanded. We add grid view builder, right sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count, we write 2, and we add item count, right filter products dot length, now we work with item builder, right return, and we use gesture detector on top, right child, we use widget card, on top we add navigator dot push, we add material page road, we add product create screen, write product, write filter products dot index, and we add index. Work with card, right color, right colors dot white, and then you add child, add column, add main axis alignment dot start, right sized box, height 8, then we check filter products, write index, write image, not null, we write image network, write filter products, write index, write image, and we write sized box, write widget, clip rect, add parameter border radius, circular 8.0, then we write height 100, add feet, write box feet cover, and we add loading builder. We write if write loading progress null, return child, return size box height 100, write child, write center, write child, add circular progress indicator, and we write color, write colors dot orange, write value, add loading progress dot expected total bytes, write null, write loading progress dot cumulative bytes loaded, then we write loading progress dot expected total bytes, write null, save, and then we write height 100, write child, write widget center, child, icon, write icons dot image, write size 50, and then we write sized box, write height 10, and we write padding, write edge insets symmetric, horizontal 8, write child, write widget row, write main axis alignment, write main axis alignment dot space between children, write text, write filter products, write index, write name, write style, write text style, write font size 18, write text, write filter products, write index, write price, type double, write to int, write style, write text style, write font size 18. And then we write widget row, write children, add parameter main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot space between, and we add widget icon button, write async, write await, write card service dot add to cart, write filter products, write index, write icon, write icons dot shopping cart, save, and we add color, write colors dot orange accent, save, and then we add icon button, write async, write await, add product service dot delete product, write filter products, write index, ID, write icon, write icons dot delete outline, save, and we add load products, save. Now we work with floating action button, write background, write colors dot white, tooltip remove, and we work with onPressed, write navigator dot push, write material page road, write product create screen, write then, write load product, save, and now we open emulator and test our work. And we update image, path, add product, write name, test search, and now we add product to cart, open cart, update count product, remove, and now we update name, and we update information. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.